Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drywall screw guns that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our countdown, at number 5, we have the Milwaukee Electric Collated Magazine. This drywall screw gun attachment is designed to enhance the functionality of the M18 Huel drywall screw gun, but what makes it stand out is its versatility. It offers screw length adjustment that's compatible with most major brands, allowing you to work with screws up to 2 inches in length. The easy screw depth adjustment is flush to the magazine's top, ensuring you don't accidentally trigger it during operation, an excellent feature for precision-driven tasks. The build quality of the Milwaukee Collated Magazine is robust, as you'd expect from a brand like Milwaukee. Its tapered nose design allows you to get into tight corners easily, making it a great choice for intricate drywall installations. Weighing just 1.34 pounds, it's lightweight enough to reduce overall fatigue, but heavy enough to feel sturdy in your hands. However, since this is a refurbished product, some might find variability in the condition, which could be a downside. Performance-wise, the Milwaukee Collated Magazine is reliable and efficient, especially for those already using the M18 fuel system. It's ideal for professional contractors or advanced DIYers who need a dedicated solution for drywall installations. However, as a standalone product, it's limited in scope and may not appeal to those who don't already own the compatible tools. If you're in the Milwaukee ecosystem, this could be a solid addition to your toolkit. The biggest con here is the price not being readily available, which might make it harder for some buyers to assess its value against competitors. At number 4, we have the adjustable Dimpler drywall bit. This product is a fantastic budget-friendly choice for those who want to convert their standard electric or impact drill into a drywall screw gun. Its standout feature is the adjustable clutch, which provides 4 depth settings, allowing you to precisely control screw placement. This makes it a versatile option for not just drywall, but also deck, particle board, and plywood work. Adding to its versatility is the magnetic tip, which holds screws securely, reducing the likelihood of dropped screws during operation. The build quality here is solid, crafted from durable alloy steel, and it's surprisingly lightweight at just 2.89 ounces. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and store, adding convenience. While it lacks the bells and whistles of dedicated screw guns, the Dimpler is a great entry-level tool for light-duty projects. However, keep in mind that it's more of an accessory than a standalone tool, so its performance is tied to the quality of the drill you pair it with. The Dimpler is best suited for DIYers or occasional users looking for an inexpensive way to upgrade their existing toolset. The pros include its affordability, adjustability, and ease of use, while the cons are its limited power and dependency on an external drill. It's not the most advanced option on this list, but for its price and functionality, it's a handy little tool that earns its spot at number 4. Coming in at number 3 is the Bosch D60498 Drywall Dimpler Screw Setter. This tool is a game changer for those looking for precision. It's an affordable yet highly efficient option that automatically countersinks screws to the correct depth, making it a fantastic choice for clean and professional drywall installations. With a preset drywall setting and an automatic clutch release, you won't have to worry about damaging your material. This tool is designed for perfection. The Bosch D60498 is lightweight and compact, weighing in at just 0.01 ounces, which makes it incredibly easy to use. Its spinning finger grip provides enhanced control while allowing you to maintain a clear view of your work area. The magnetic Phillips P2 head is another standout feature that ensures screws stay securely in place, reducing the frustration of dropped screws. This product is ideal for both professionals and hobbyists working on drywall projects. Its simplicity and reliability make it a great value for the price, but it's best suited for light to medium-duty tasks. The main drawback is its limited versatility. It's specifically designed for drywall, so it won't be as useful for other materials. Overall, If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills solution for precise drywall work, the Bosch D60498 is an excellent pick. At number 2, we have the DEWALT Drywall Screw Gun Collated Attachment, DCF620B. This is an accessory that transforms your DEWALT screw gun into a highly efficient drywall tool. Its slim nose and removable shoe allow for easy access to tight corners, making it a great choice for detailed work. The 360-degree rotation feature is a highlight, enabling you to position the attachment exactly how you need it for the best results. The build quality is excellent, as you'd expect from DEWALT. It's lightweight at just 1.3 pounds, yet sturdy enough to withstand heavy use. The tool-free screw length adjustment and spring removal add to its user-friendly design, making setup and cleaning a breeze. Additionally, the collated strip guide prevents the screw strip from interfering with your hand, which is a thoughtful touch. Performance-wise, the DCF620B is reliable and efficient, particularly for those already using DEWALT tools. It's best suited for professional contractors who need a high-performance attachment for repetitive drywall tasks. The main downside is that it's not a standalone product. You'll need a compatible DEWALT screw gun to use it. However, if you're already in the DEWALT ecosystem, this attachment is a fantastic investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Drywall Screw Gun, DCF630B. This is the ultimate drywall screw gun for those who demand efficiency, precision, and versatility. Powered by a 20V brushless motor, this tool delivers outstanding performance and runtime, making it ideal for both light and heavy gauge substrates. The 4 dedicated tool modes, trigger mode, high speed, trigger mode, low speed, push start mode, and lock-on modes offer unparalleled flexibility, ensuring you can tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. The design and build quality are top-notch. This screw gun is compact and lightweight, weighing just 2.6 pounds, which significantly reduces user fatigue during extended use. The adjustable nose cone ensures consistent screw depth, while the LED light illuminates your work area for improved accuracy. Additionally, the Tool Connect compatibility allows for seamless asset management on the job site, a feature that modern professionals will appreciate. This tool is perfect for contractors and serious DIYers who want a high-performance, durable screw gun. The only downside is that it doesn't come with a battery, so you'll need to purchase that separately if you don't already own DEWALT 20V Max batteries. Despite this, the DCF630B is a powerhouse that justifies its top spot on our list. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.